In this tutorial, we would like to show you how you can easily save content you frequently use in your own user library in Empower. We use the version 9.2. When you often use a specific text, image or shape you have customized using one of the corporate design templates, for example, out from the user library your Empower administrators provide you with, you can save them into your user library. Of course, this is only possible if the user library has been activated in your company. The process of saving content is always the same. You select the content you want to save, you click on Save in the Start group whilst clicking on the button Library. To access the button Save, you create a folder or select a given folder in your user library and you actually save your content. We will now demonstrate and check together how we can save specific content and different data types. We have a preview here, for example, starting by saving a slide. If you want to save a slide, you can select the slide from the left panel you want to select. We will select slide number 4, navigate to the group Start, click on the button Library and Save. And Empower now gives us a specific option as a data type we want to save. The pre-selection is set on a slide because we selected a slide here. We could also choose to save a presentation nonetheless, but we are not going to do that for now. You can click on Save or Save As to navigate to the Empower library and click on our user library. We will always save our own content under the folder My Content. We have to first create a new folder. This is also displayed in the preview here. We can do so by navigating to the bar on top, on clicking the new folder button, or we can also execute a right click on the My Folder content. We can now give the folder a specific name. I will call my folder tutorial and confirm my name with the Enter key. And I can now select my folder to add the content in it. The file name that is being suggested is always taken from the content you've been saved. In this case, it's a slide, and the slide name originally has been a one-pager, so we will stay with the name here and click on the button Save. Now the content is being uploaded. On the bottom right corner of the screen, we see the Empower Sync explaining the status of the upload once it has been started and finished, and we can check if our content has been uploaded by navigating to the user library again. And we see directly that the slide has now been uploaded. For more information on the library structure, please check out our other tutorials. We were not going to go into detail into this one, and how we work with the library is explained as well in a more detailed and specific tutorial dedicated to the library. We will close this window for now, and we will see that we can also save multiple slides. I will select now slide 6 and 7 together, navigate to the Save button once again, and now we see that we have additional options Empower offers us. The pre-selection has been set to selected slides because we selected more than one slide and we want to save them as well. And we can now go to our My Content folder and Tutorial folder again. It is normal that if we save more than one content that the folder is being displayed as empty, although we know that we just currently uploaded the slide into this folder. This is normal. Please don't be surprised here. We click on Save again, and the Empower Sync once again will inform us we can continue to work in Empower with our PowerPoint presentation, and the sync informs us once the upload has been finished as well. You might have already seen it because we selected more than one slide. There's also been the option to save a so-called slide set. If we would save slide number 6 and 7 as a slide set into the presentation, the first slide would be displayed in the thumbnail, but once inserting the slide set, these two slides will be automatically inserted into a presentation when downloaded from the library. We can do so, again, it's the same process. We select slide set, navigate to our My Content folder, and actually confirm. Now I clicked the wrong folder here, confirm our selection with a click on OK. Now we have an update option here available because I already uploaded the specific slide here. We will not update any content and we will not save the file here as an updated version. For updates, please check our other tutorials as well. I will upload this one as a slide set, only one, and confirm my selection with a click on save. I think it's getting clear how the process of saving contents you frequently use that you have customized according to your needs into your user library. We can also upload single elements into our own library by selecting this image, for example. We now have the single object data type, and we once again navigate to our folder, and you now see that the picture has not been named beforehand directly in PowerPoint, which is because I just simply did not do it, and this might be the case for your images or your text elements, rather text elements that you want to upload into your user library, but you can also just change your name here and name the picture World Map and click on the Save button. The same would apply for icons. We see the preview here. I will navigate to the slide number 10 where the actual icon is located. I select the icon, click on Save. This is also a single object. All elements that are not either a whole presentation or a slide are called single objects in Empower. We save the icon here as well. Navigate to our folder. Now we see, because we're only uploading one element at a time, a slide preview here. And we give the icon a name, location, and click the button Save. And the upload is being started once again. I already said that it might be useful for you to save text elements or even just one specific note you commonly use and place on a very dedicated and certain place on your slide. You can select, for example, this text box and click on Save here as well and save it into your user library as a text element. I will just call it text element as well. Now we have checked all the options we have, and whilst the sync is uploading our last element, we navigate to our user library and our tutorial folder so that we can check all the contents we have uploaded here. We have our slide set, the text elements, the image, our icon, and our slide here. Of course, we could also save our whole presentation, but I'm not going to do that now. I just wanted to demonstrate to you that all the icons that I used within the library give you an indication on what kind of element this is. We see the single elements have this specific icon, the image is separated from that, and the single slides or slide sets have a different icon here as well. Now it's your turn. Try this feature out. Save content in your user library you frequently use. That's what the user library is for, only for contents you have customized coming from the corporate design templates that you want to use on a daily basis, and have fun whilst doing so and saving time without being in need to create the content all over again. For more information on Empower, please check our other tutorials.